everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Loz. Today I have an Art Stash box. I don't know what's in the box. I know that it's supposed to be worth $200 according to their website. Let's open it up, shall we? We have some beautiful yellow tissue paper. I'm going to go through the items one by one. I don't know what's in here yet. I'm not going to let you guys see what is in the box until we get to each item. This is the first item. We have some glitter deco tape. That looks really pretty. It's so shiny and sparkly. We have silver, gold, rose gold, pink, and bronze. Very nice. We have some beautiful green glitter. Microfine, non-toxic, acid-free. We have a postcard colouring book. Oh, I haven't seen something like this before. Each page has a different design on it. And you can obviously send it as a postcard. That is actually pretty cool. So that's by Arabian Designs. Something that's new to me, definitely. Now we get some fun stuff. There we go, there's those beautiful pens. 10 pens, 0.5 millimeters, gel ink pens, pale colors, suitable for dark coloring paper. That is awesome. So there we go. More glitter. These are glitter pens. Just 4 pens, very pretty, nice colors, candy colors. Yeah, that makes me want to eat them. We have a pencil case. I've taken it out of the plastic because I wanted to read the card. Red Dot Design Award, Honorable Mention 2015. There's the pencil case. It is a very thick calico kind of material. It's very sturdy. Yeah. Oh, this looks like it goes with the pencil case. It is the same brand. It is the Red Dot Design Award winner from 2013, and it is a notebook of some kind, which is very cool. I'm going to open this because I want to actually see what the notebook looks like. So it's just got grids. It's a really nice book. So it is a medium book, 14 by 21 centimeters, 5.5 by 3.27 inches. It is a leather notebook, and it also has the pen holder, which we can see, and obviously it can tie at the front. There we go. I don't think I'm the first person that's gone, I would love a nice leather notebook. I've kind of looked at them before and drooled a little bit. We have some foil decals. This one's got some horses, some ice cream. This one's a little bit more of a love one in the nice rose gold color. Actually, I look at this and I just realized the decals are actually in a few different colors because they've actually got the other colors underneath. So this one's got the colors here and you can choose your design. This one's got silver, the rose gold, 2 different golds here. And then we have silver and gold, and it is birthday, and there's a cupcake. I love me some cupcakes. So pretty. That is everything that's in the pack. The only things I've ever tried before is jelly pens. I love jelly pens. I think most people do. I've obviously used glitter before. Who hasn't? I think anyone that's over the age of 3 has probably used glitter. The glitter pens are new to me. The decals are definitely new to me. I'm excited to have a leather notebook, and of course, I'm excited by this tape. I've never used decorative tape before, so that's fun. Fun, fun, fun. I kind of like these because I find doing a whole colouring page sometimes can be just too big, and I think these are just a nice little pocket size little colouring book. They're very thick too, which means you can obviously use these supplies, or you could use pencils or markers. It's obviously thick enough that you can actually mail this card to somebody. And I'm kind of also just excited to see what the decals are all about. So they've put it here. There, put the decal on the example just on a little pop pen lid, so you can obviously put that anywhere. So that is my mystery box. Take care everybody, enjoy, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time, bye!